a new project is reinterpreting the Quran specifically for the Uyghur community today.
And it really asks a huge question. Can an ancient text guide a community's survival today?
The creators put it simply. They want a Quran that tackles their community's problems head-on.
So why is a new take even needed? Well, the issue they point to is tradition. See, for centuries, the Quran has been seen mainly through an Arab cultural and historical lens.
And this chart really lays it out. There's a major disconnect between the old focus and modern needs. To bridge this gap, a new initiative called the Quran Bayan Project was created.
The key idea is contextual interpretation. They're not changing the text, just how it's applied.
And their process is super rigorous. It's a team effort with tons of editing and focus.
But this is about way more than just clarifying text. It's about redefining faith itself.
Of course, this raises a big question. Could this create a division from other Muslims? But the creators are clear. This isn't about enmity. It's about strengthening Uyghur identity first.
You can see it's a huge shift from just rituals to providing practical principles for life.
So, what's the end game here? What's the ultimate goal of all this?
They see it as a guide for national revival, a literal roadmap for liberation.
So take the story of Moses. To them, it's not just something that happened long ago. It's a living case study, a blueprint for leading a nation from oppression to freedom.
In the end, it leaves us with a powerful question for any community, really.